This article is titled, Prevalence of Overweight in Children and Adolescents with Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder and Autism Spectrum Disorders, a chart review, and was authored by David Tiber, Ellen Perrin, Linda Bandini, Carol Cuttin, and Aviva Must. In children and adolescents, the prevalence of overweight has tripled in the last 20 years, with approximately 16% of children ages 6 to 19, and 10.3% of 2 to 5-year-olds being considered overweight. Considerable research is underway to understand obesity in the general pediatric population, however little research is available on the prevalence of obesity in children with developmental disorders. The purpose of our study was to determine the prevalence of overweight among a clinical population of children diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and autism spectrum disorders, ASD. Retrospective chart review of 140 charts of children ages 3 to 18 years seen between 1992 and 2003 at a tertiary care clinic that specializes in the evaluation and treatment of children with developmental, behavioral, and cognitive disorders. The Center for Disease Control's BMI growth reference was used to determine an age and gender-specific BMI Z-score for the children. The prevalence of at-risk for overweight and overweight was 29% and 17.3% respectively in children with ADHD. Although the prevalence appeared highest in the 2 to 5-year-old group, differences among age groups were not statistically significant. For children with ASD, the overall prevalence of at-risk for overweight was 35.7% and prevalence of overweight was 19%. Conclusion: when compared to an age-matched reference population, our estimates indicate that children with ADHD and with ASD have a prevalence of overweight that is similar to children in the general population. We are article.tv. Links in the description below.